Eating first meal Ngwenyas.
I have tonsillitis and it's so painful. I don't know why.
I have HBS, hot boy syndrome. Oh yes.
Bye.
One thing about this next is like a bunch of peanut butter. Ugh. No. Bod.
Hey housemates!
We in the house.
Guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
I'm Dumi.
And I'm Sandy.
And this is the Ngwenyas house.
Ngwenyas house. Guys, welcome to the first recording of 2023. Ooh.
Yes. So it's a weekly vlog. We are back on that.
Dango.
And today we are going to be seeing lawyers for our prenuptial contract.
Yeah, but yes.
So that's where we are going. And then after that, I'm going to my psychiatrist. And we are also going to go with my sister.
Yeah, and
she's just going to tag along.
Yeah, but most likely have to eat.
Oh yeah, we have to go eat. I've been craving a fruit salad for so long. I know it's not like food.
If it's your first time here,
you are not a housemate yet.
To become a housemate, all you need to do is
click subscribe,
press the notification bell,
and the all option, so you don't miss a notification every time we post.
And if you're a returning housemate,
welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Oh yes, come along. Say hi to the housemates.
Hi, housemates.
Moon done.
Where's one done?
What do you make for dinner?
Just chicken and...
We need to keep this in the pack.
Yeah?
Chicken and butter.
Okay. I would say how to feel day one. It was not day one. Got a shot. Oh, Shine, what salad is this? Is it soup for the chicken?
Soup for the chicken.
Okay. I forgot how good this lens is. I'm making fried chicken.
Fried, that's true. It's not fried.
I forgot how good this lens is. It looks so pretty. One down like kitchen, the film.
Yeah?
One down like kitchen.
I just did the dishes. Next time you should tell me so that I can, you know.
What's that housemates?
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah?
Say hi to the housemates.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Hi, housemates! We in the house.
Yeah, man. All the way is what thing.
All the... baby.
Apart from some housemates.
Say hi to the housemates.
Just say hi here.
Hey housemates.
We in the house.
We in the house.
How has this week been?
As long as you are not showing my feet, I'm good.
Us for getting married.
I love my brother, I love my sister-in-law. Not even a weekend. It's been 2 weeks of hard work and we are still here standing. The tired is extremely tired, but we are done. It is done.
I'm tired.
Yeah,
oh man, I look so pretty. Why didn't you tell me I look that pretty?
Lens is not you.
No, it is us. Like
it's the
really.
lens, it's not you.
I'm sorry, what you were saying? Like really?
Honestly.
Our tired is tired, but look at us. Like really.
Yes, I like the lens.
It can never be the light when it comes to me.
When I pale beauty.
You're so annoying. Mr. Ngwe.
Yes.
The husband.
Yeah. Oh, I think bang wash the dish.
Yeah.
Just thought I'd flex real quick. You know, it's a quick flex.
Child.
I'm fat.
You're a married man.
Yeah, housemates, it's been a long. Anyway, you'll see that you'll hear in the diary sessions that it's been a long 2 weeks.
Mimi,
Yeah. Come along.
Basadi badi tatu. The hard bro.
Oh, boy, I said I measure, my boy. Yabo, silver, just a measure. I actually had to on Sunday. That's just a measure, bro. That's my twin. Jacob. My much like the camera. If I would born. Man, I'm saying, yeah, I'm not about a keeper enjoy the way the camera.
I'm talking about a proper shape pill.
I don't know shape pill. I was keeper enjoy. Oh, Puma. What are you eating? What are you eating, guys?
Don't say hi to the housemates.
This song is so nice.
Look.
Wow, wait for me to shower.
Okay, Ashanja. Okay, sharp. I've already put on yes. You don't want to say hi now.
Hi, housemates. With the house.
Sango.
Always like it.
Do me share with you what? Are you so darling? Kitchen Shabam phone you hack up and never get in. Not saying 15 minutes late. We send you a job in WhatsApp and wanted to
No, it's a document form. It's not a picture. Remember how they sent
exploration.
Earring first name Mungwadu.
Several days later.
So we're eating food from Plated Convenience, guys. Before the end of the year, we'd gotten to a place where we're literally eating takeaway every single day, and that's based on a lot of things. For example, we work until late. We're tired by that time. We need to get to gym. Hence, I bought these things as well to make it easier for us to think. But then now I want to try out ready prepared meals, and we're just going to take you along this. How long are we doing this for again? Yeah, how long is the food again? Yeah, so basically we'll take you along for the month whilst you're eating this. I'm not going to make like a dedicated video, but like in the vlogs and stuff, you've probably already seen on our stories on Aichi, or a reel on Aichi, what we're up to. But yes sir, and we just got another delivery from Plated. Yeah guys, you know, this experience has made me realize how much we enjoy our own food, the food that we make. And yeah, no, we made a blunder by ordering for the whole month instead of ordering for a week first, because first and foremost we don't even eat our leftovers, so I don't know what's or how the hell are we going to eat like pre-prepared food for the whole month. In theory it's good, but it's not good because you know, good, everyone has a specific taste. For example, the way we cook is different from how you guys cook in your homes. Everybody has different tastes and stuff. So even restaurant food is actually starting to get annoying because you like to cook food our own way. But the reason we even tried this thing is because I'm always tired. So something's gotta give, bro. But here it is, packaged nicely. This is thank you for your order, nuts. But yeah, if you guys want to try it out, we'll obviously put the details in the description box. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the food. If I had to rate it, I'd give it maybe a 7 out of 10, even 6 out of 10. But again, mainly it's because we like just to eat. The taste's not agreeing with us, but for convenience and stuff, number 1. And also these people like peanut butter, bro. Peanuts and peanut butter, like that. One thing about this snacks is like a bunch of peanut butter. Oh no, bored. I won't even lie. If they could like give us a lot of these, about like these things which have more potatoes and maybe more rice, then I'd be happy. Because my biggest problem is, like, for example, this boerewors thing with couscous. I had this also the other day. My biggest problem with this is that the textures don't like it. Yeah, it's a bit mushy. So even this chicken stir fry with couscous, it gets a bit mushy because obviously it's frozen and then you defrost it, so then it gets a bit so I would actually enjoy this more if there was a lot of these, like now beef fillet, beef fillet, baby, roasted sweet potatoes, and now beef curry with brown rice. That I would eat.
I'm so upset right now.
What's wrong?
I want, like, really, all of the snacks are just peanut butter and a random thing.
What is
this? This is peanut butter and rice cake.
Why would they put peanut butter? I bet you this thing that's meant to be nuts is also peanut butter.
Let's try.
Let's see. Like,
I'm not gonna eat this one.
Let's open all this.
It is peanut butter.
I got it. They're just trying to get rid of peanut butter, these people. Bodysuit. Whilst Demi is working, I'm just having some me time. Come on. If anyone has a dog, can you tell us when it's making the sound? What does it mean? What are you eating today?
Is this lamb curry?
No, it's beef. I had the beef.
Beef curry. I'm eating beef curry.
How does it taste?
It's amazing, but I don't like cooked carrots.
No, they're soft.
I just don't like the taste.
I am having fillet with sweet potatoes. This is the first meal out of all of the meals that were eaten that I actually am enjoying, like, fully. But obviously I took the beef and just put some, I put steakhouse sauce and sauteed it a bit. But yeah.
One debt to the...
Hoping to eat before going to the doctor's appointment, because and we're gonna sit for a long time. So what I'm trying to do is, like, we go to the lawyers, we eat, we go to Pretoria, probably sit the whole day, and then later on we're just gonna go to gym. Offline.
Oh, no shedding. We are definitely going to do the Curel system. We just finished with the lawyer, and we're coming to Food Lovers Eatery to get some food. We're waiting for Tsotso. She's coming from a place. She's going to meet us here. Dumi discovered this thing, and the first time she heard it, she was like, I can't wait to eat here with you, babe.
Yeah. Like, it's where we eat when we are at work, but it's like the food is so amazing and it's affordable.
Whilst Dumi is looking for a restroom because there's no water in the mall. So I'm looking for a bucket hat for Shini, and I'm not seeing anything right now. There's a specific hat that I'm actually looking for. It's like this brown hat that looks like, that's the pattern, it looks like that, or like this actually. But I gotta do the only hats that they have in here, so we'll check for that Central City.
We have eaten. Yeah, we feel like we have sense now. So Zozo's arrived. Now we are on our way to Pretoria because I refuse to change my psychiatrist. So I'll always have to go to Pretoria for this.
Yep, it's time for us to go.
Imagine if we were to move to like Durban or something.
You'd have to find someone else, but I'm not about that life. You think you're going to be paying flights every time you come here? Yeah.
You guys have been moved to Durban.
Tommy doesn't want to.
Let's have a whole flat. It's already flat.
And now I want to move to Durban in my retirement age.
Hey housemates, we're in the house. We are at Kotizaring right now. We're eating for the second time since.
Oh, actually, what
Was it 12?
I'll go to the shower.
They're going to say every
It's been a long time since we ate.
Yeah, but we ate it a couple 12. Yeah.
And it's literally,
Now we're eating for dinner.
yeah, it's 25 past 6 before you come here.
And so we're always eating.
This is what I'm having. Oh, it looked better than this.
You're having some wine, I'm having a whole
A jug.
Food has arrived.
It's here.
You love it.
It's nice. The Asian flavors are really coming.
Nah, can I eat this yet?
I wish it had more sweet.
This is nice.
Really? It
Yeah.
doesn't even taste super at all.
No.
I got it so good. Look at that little brown cheese. I like cup of tea.
You don't like it? It's too soy saucy. Have you seen how Sunny so it's like this?
Don't bore me, girl.
How's the pizza?
Guys, na Keja and Tom. Keja, what is it called? What was the pasta called? Whatever it's called, but I'm having a chicken bacon gorgonzola. And I'm not pronouncing that right, but where is it? And then they put butternut on top instead of putting this basil, which is like all over that pizza.
That's
I
not
feel
basil.
like what's this?
Clove. That's not close either. It's
Pasta.
a rocket.
A rocket.
It's a rocket, yeah.
Rocket. Tell us in the comment section what this thing is, please, because that's something I say sure.
But I'll taste them.
But Negeri, they could have put that over here.
Just because I need to say
If you're this far in the vlog and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Woo! The rest of the food, some sticky chicken wings and some pork. It's pork belly, okay?
pork bites, yeah.
Pork bites. And of course, chips, staple food, darling. Wipe it. Come now, light up. Dankois, thank you. Come.
Hey, housemates.
It's another day. Hey, hey, hey.
Another day.
Yep.
Another sleigh.
Oh, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, guys, we're going to get clothes for going vacation soon, so I only get clothes for that. What else?
We're going to fetch my glasses, and hopefully we can still make it to Food Lovers Market.
What
But if
else?
you don't make it today, we'll go tomorrow.
What else?
Gotta grab a smoothie because I don't know if it's hair, like if is it still tonsils. So yeah, I have tonsillitis and it's so painful. I don't know why.
I have HBS, hot boy syndrome. Oh yes.
Bye.
Put them on again and see you. Ooh. Can you? Then they look like it's clear, like it's not like you're not wearing shades. You look hot. Show the housemates the freebies we got. Oh, Petsen.
Two bags.
What bags are there?
Oh my god. Wait, I didn't get my case. Or did I?
It should be in there. Is it there?
I'm too clumsy for my liking.
Is a case in there? Anyway, we got some free cooler bags. And
I didn't know about it, so
yeah,
it's
well.
a nice surprise.
Dango.
We just came back from Spec Service and then we went to Westpac to get some chip spice. And now
Pep.
we also got sausage rolls.
We're coming to Pep to get some something to drink. But yes, come along.
Kind of was this not nice the other time we had it.
Okay, hope Paul.
When I was an napkin or
This one.
This is great.
Yeah, great bishop. I about this poke. This poke. What's that for England?
the budding one.
Many hours later.
A tired hand. Did we tell them we're coming to Sandton City? In case we didn't, we came to Sandton City to look for obviously vacation clothes. For the first time ever, the Dawn found clothes. And there are specials and specials and specials. That's the only reason I'm not tired, because I got specials. This means we're getting back into the groove. Like, I know I'm busy telling you about things I haven't shown you, but if you've watched our channel, if you've been watching our channel, you saw last year we tried out expired snacks. We came back again today.
It's not expired, it's best before.
And even better after.
Some of them, like, let me explain the best before store. This is not from the best before store, obviously. But they sell things. Okay, there are things that are expired, so do definitely check.
You have to look.
Because the ones that are expired for a long time, they're not great. But they have things that are close to expiry. They have excess stock.
And some things are imported things
Yeah,
that
you
didn't
don't
sell.
find everywhere, and like they didn't sell. But like, say for instance, that bag of quality street thing, it's expiring in March, so you can get like things.
There's nothing that we bought that's actually expired.
Yeah. Then there's like cleaning things, there's bathroom things. I'm so sad about the dry shampoo because I bought dry shampoo earlier on this week or last week, and it was 100 rand. This one was 30 guys. At the thing.
It's going down because I'm thirsty.
At the best before
So there's
store.
also more water than ice cream. But yeah, now we're trying out some new food. Let me just turn the camera around. There are specials, like everyday specials. You can see it's called Senor Carlos Roadhouse.
It's in Edenvale.
So is also
The reason why we came here. Tell them.
So guys, you'll see in our wedding video, or you've seen in our wedding video, when we were leaving, like we're pushing the car and then the door got messed up. It got misaligned, and we've been sitting with this door for like since we came back home at the beginning of the year.
And to close it, you need to like lift it and like. So the whole time Sancho went to look for codes.
Tell them about the codes, and
They were lying to him. They were busy telling him that he needs to buy a new door.
an entire door.
For 11,000.
Nah, not that. Then I went to another place, but it's 6.5. Yeah.
Then we got here. Those guys are putting together a code for us, but they fixed the door for free. Like they
In a space of 2 minutes, I just like
no.
yo.
And it's done. Imagine.
Yeah, in my mind I felt so super weak. Super awake.
But why, how would you have known that's what you're supposed to do?
I'm just kidding. Who are you going to kiss with that mouth?
Please ask me why I'm opening this thing.
I said, babe, why are you opening the mouthwash?
And you know what's scary about it? It's that it doesn't have alcohol in it. Because things with alcohol usually take longer to expire. So.
Oh well. Yo. It feels so good actually being in front of the camera. It feels really good. I'm glad to be in front
And then
of the
I
camera
bought
right now.
hair products. Expired 08.
Why didn't you look at all this?
I didn't check because I was like, it's not things we are eating.
Nah, all the things, all the snacks and stuff I checked.
It's not things we are eating, so
And then my space is gone.
I'm still gonna use the hair thing. It's for thing.
My space is gone. There's no more recording time.
One extremely annoying shift later.
This is the most horrible calamari and prawns I've had in my life. And yeah, like
The service. So update, we are at a date with our cell friends, and we came to cappuccinos in where's this place?
Harvest Place.
In Harvest Place. Oh my god, it's so horrible. The service was very slow. It took 1 hour, no more than 1 hour for us to get our food, and we only got it after we complained. And most of the food is raw or done wrong or
Just horrible.
my
Doesn't have
chips
flavor.
are not cooked all the way through. Doesn't have flavor. Her calamari had chicken in it.
Yep.
Like, what if I don't know? What if she was allergic to chicken? Or like, do you understand? Like the health risk of this? Like honestly,
And the worst part is we've been to cappuccinos in Greenstone Hill at the mall, and it's actually it was actually nice. That's why we're actually very excited about coming here because we've been to that cappuccinos a lot of times, and the food has always been amazing. The service is even quick. Here it was a disappointment, and you guys know us when we go to places we're very honest about it and stuff, but this one we don't recommend it at all. Guys, it's going to a restaurant and still being hungry afterwards.
and not.
Hey down.
Hi. And someone keeps on like gagging, and I'm so triggered. I'm saying I'm so triggered by the gagging. Okay. Oh.